be creating a DIY bird feeder. Here on the table, you will see all of the supplies that we will need for today's video. So the first thing we'll need is a toilet paper roll. Now I poked 2 holes into the toilet paper roll so that we can put the strings to it. You'll need a knife so you can spread the peanut butter on it. You'll need some bird seed. You'll need the peanut butter, and then of course you'll need the string so that you can hang it up. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so step number 1, you'll want to get your toilet paper roll and the peanut butter and use your knife to spread it around the toilet paper roll. Now that you got peanut butter all over the toilet roll, somewhat like that, now you want to get your bird seed and I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh yeah, it seems